Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mahindra B-275, a classic tractor that's been upgraded with modern features while retaining its reputation for reliability and performance in Indian agriculture. The Mahindra B-275 is known for being one of the most trusted tractors among farmers across the country. The 2025 version continues that legacy with improvements in fuel efficiency, comfort, and durability. It's powered by a 4-cylinder, 2,730cc engine that produces around 39 HP. This engine is designed to perform efficiently in tough farming conditions, including plowing, harvesting, and haulage operations. With a rated RPM of 1900, the B-275 provides powerful torque that helps in handling heavy implements. The engine comes with water-cooled technology and offers low maintenance, making it cost-effective for small to medium-scale farmers. One of the highlights of the 2025 upgrade is the refined combustion system, which ensures cleaner fuel burning and more consistent power delivery. The transmission system features a sliding mesh gearbox with 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, offering flexibility for various farm tasks. The gear shifting is smooth, and the tractor handles well on different terrains. The clutch is a dry single or dual clutch option depending on the variant, and it gives better control during operation. Moving to the design, Mahindra has made some aesthetic improvements while keeping the strong and simple look that farmers love. The 2025 model has a new digital analog instrument cluster that gives essential information like engine RPM, fuel level, and temperature. The seat is more comfortable with better cushioning, and the steering is ergonomically positioned to reduce operator fatigue during long working hours. In terms of hydraulics, the Mahindra B-275 has strong lifting capacity of around 1,200 kg. This is ideal for implements like cultivators, plows, and trailers. The 3-point linkage system is compatible with a wide range of equipment used in Indian farming. The tractor also comes with optional features like power steering and oil-immersed brakes for safer and more efficient operations. Another benefit is the large fuel tank capacity of around 47 liters, allowing longer hours of uninterrupted work in the field. It also comes with a standard PTO of 540 RPM, which is useful for running various attachments like rotavators, threshers, and water pumps. The 2025 Mahindra B-275 remains an excellent choice for farmers looking for a dependable, easy-to-maintain tractor with a strong resale value. Its affordability, spare parts availability, and wide service network make it a smart investment. So, whether you're plowing, sowing, or transporting goods, the Mahindra B-275 is a tractor you can count on to get the job done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tractor reviews and updates. See you in the next video.